Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I'm going to show you a little trick that I've learned on closing boxes. So we all know that when you open a box, usually you use the little tab thing and close the box. But after a while, it all kind of, pops loose, and you might end up losing things that are in it. But what I've learned is that you take the box, put the little tabs here, these little tabs right here, you put those little tabs down into the box, and you take this part right here, and you wait first. Okay, okay. So you put the little tabs, these little side tabs, in the box. Then what you're gonna want to do is squish the box down on the sides to bring them in like that. So they're squished in. So then you take this part right here, the one with the little flap thing that you usually put into this spot right here, and you put that in the box like so. Now if there's a plastic bag like this cereal box, you put the plastic bag right there, and then you put this part that has the little the one that has the shape like this. There's one that's the whole box, and then there's the one like that. And even on this one, there's the whole part, and then the other part. You can do this one either way because it's straight across. So put that in there, and then on this, I'll show on this one because it's a bit bigger and easier to do. So the cereal bag is in there, which I still have a little bit of cereal left in there. So I'm going to place that like that. So the bag, I know you can't see inside very well, but the bag is underneath this cardboard piece. And then what you do is you put this piece here all the way over here on this side. Not the closest, because you got the sides here pushed in or folded in. So then you put that in there, and your box closes up. Now, nothing can fall out. Plus the bag in there is closed, so nothing will fall out or, is open to the air. So, completely stays closed until you open it up. It also works on these smaller ones. See, so I have the sides that are, let's get them really creased real well so you can see it. Alright, so they're really creased like that, and then you want to put this edge against this one here, so it uses these sides here to lock it in. So then when you first do this, it takes a little bit of coaxing that in there, but it closes up nice and tight usually. This one's going to need a little bit more coaxing in there, but you get the drift. Some of the boxes need a little bit more coaxing in the corners, but yeah, still there won't be anything falling out of it, and it works really well on cereal boxes. I've used it open and closed multiple times, but still it holds the bag in there, and my cereal is not falling out. You can hear it. There is cereal in there, and it stays closed. And pull it back. There you go. So, and you can squish this down as you go through the cereal too, if you want, to make it smaller on the shelf. But yeah, it works really well. I'm actually quite impressed on how it closes up fairly tight. The first few times it was a lot tighter, but you know, as you get in there and do it, it opens up a little bit more, but it still will not let the cereal out. So there you go, a little trick, a little hack to close your cereal boxes and other little boxes. I don't know how well it would, well, we could try it. I have the juice packets over here, so we'll put the 6 packets back in there and see if we can still close it. So, alright, so the juice packets are in there, and yeah, it works great for that too, even though it's not closed all the way, as well as the cereal box is. As you can see, this side here isn't closed as well, but still, they stay in there. Unlike having it like this, you know, closed normally, you can end up shaking them out, but with this being closed, you can't get them out. So there you go. It's a little hack to use on your boxes to keep them closed better. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you, your friends and family, safe. Bye for now.